Sezihubela sakusha ngokusingathwa kwengqungquthela ye-G20 kuleli ezothanyelwa izithunywa eziqhamuka emazweni omhlaba, njengoba ungqongqoshe wezamazwe omhlaba kuleli uRonald Lamola ethi konke kumi ngomumo manje.
Preparations for the summit are on track with numerous heads of states and governments from the G20 member countries, including invited guest countries, have been confirmed for participation.
Mayelana nokuhoxa kukaMengameli uDonald Trump kulo mhlangano, uLamula uthi basavule iminyango bona njengoba kwaba isinqumo sakhe sokuthi angalibhadi kuleli.
Our doors remain open for them if they want to participate at the leaders level of the summit at the right level. The doors are still open because they are not expelled. They decided on their own.
INingizimu Afrika kulindeleke idlulisele ezweni laseMelika ukwengamela ingqungquthela ye-G20 uma isiphothulwa ngesonto, kodwa kungabe bikho kwayo kushiya imibuzo. uLamula uthi bona bazokwenza okufanelekile.
Because the handover is really ceremonial. It's a ceremonial, as we say, it's a ceremonial handover. We remain prepared to hand over here in South Africa, in Johannesburg.
Le ngqungquthela izosingathwa yidolobha laseGoli. Undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uthi benze konke okusemandleni ukugcina ingqalazinda isebenza kuleli dolobha.
And we've worked extremely hard to ensure that we fix the street lights, the traffic lights, fill the potholes and attend to issues that need to be attended.
Odabeni lokutheleka kwabasePalestine kuleli esikhumulweni sezindizi OR Tambo, uLamula uthi ngeke besamukela abanye abafudukela kuleli, kanti udaba abaliphenyayo lolu.
Indeed, it's a matter that is being investigated, and we do not want any further flights to come our way, because this is a clear agenda to cleanse out the Palestinians out of Gaza.
Le ngqungquthela izothanyelwa izithunywa ezibalelwe ezinkulungwaneni ezinhlanu okufaka phakathi nabezinhlangano zomphakathi kuleli ngempela sonto.